Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into the world of Zoho Project, focusing on how to use this fantastic tool for seamless vendor communication. So let's get started. The first step in the process is setting up your vendor as a user in your Zoho project. This involves going to the Users section and adding your vendor's contact information. The reason we do this is to ensure that your vendor has access to all the necessary project information and can actively participate in discussions. Now that we've done that, the second step is assigning tasks to your vendor. Head over to the Tasks and Milestones section and create a task. Assign it to your vendor by selecting their name from the drop-down list. This helps us because it allows us to delegate responsibilities clearly and track progress efficiently. The third step is to use the Forums feature for real-time discussions. This feature allows you and your vendor to communicate instantly, discuss project-related matters, and resolve any potential issues. Let me explain why this matters. This feature promotes transparency and ensures that all parties are on the same page, minimizing chances of misunderstandings or conflicts. Next up, the fourth step is to use the Documents feature to share project-related files with your vendor. You simply have to upload the files and set the permissions to allow your vendor to view or edit them. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you share a document, it becomes accessible to your vendor in real time, making collaboration even more efficient. The fifth and final step is to use the Project Reports feature to generate comprehensive reports. This feature allows you to consolidate all project-related data and share it with your vendor. The reason we do this is to keep all stakeholders informed about the project's progress, ensuring that everyone is aligned with the project goals and objectives. And there you have it. With these steps, you can utilize Zoho Project for effective vendor communication. Remember, clear and timely communication is the key to successful project management. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy project managing.